True surrender is giving yourself to God, the silent power that may never respond to your prayers and calls without expectations. It is putting yourself at His feet, becoming that flower, or the flame, or the fruit you usually offer to Him. It is becoming the offering rather than the offerer, the sacrifice rather than the sacrificer. In that sacred ritual, you do not offer mantras, but only your silence. It is a ritual in which you communicate with silence, through silence and by silence. In Hindu tradition, we recognize it as true devotion. Devotion means offering. True devotion is an act of silence, without drama. God, the Omniscient One, does not need that drama to acknowledge your devotion. He understands your silence, without the need for words and gestures. True surrender means you open yourself to life's innumerable opportunities and challengers, without conditions, preference, fear, or choice. It means you willingly offer yourself to become an instrument in the hands of God, and dedicate your life in His God. It is true surrender. With that comes true freedom. In that surrender, you experience the flow of life, the opportunity to be in the present, without the compulsion to seek things to enhance your pride or your security. In that freedom, you do not acknowledge any authority outside you, but your own wisdom and intelligence, rooted in the thoughts of the self, and you learn about life and existence in the choiceless awareness that naturally arises in you, as a sign of your inner freedom from the desire to become and to have. Surrender is an act of devotion, and devotion is an expression of surrender. Both are best performed in the ritual of silence. When you surrender, you fall into silence. You become an autumn leaf in the winds of life. You let life happen. You let the forces of life control you, dictate you, victimize you. And see the dance of death everywhere and in everything, without being troubled by it.